Hi everybody, my name is Eddie, and today I'm doing homework 2, problem number 2. So for this particular problem, we have three variables, x1, x2, and x3, and it's written in form of POS, product of the sum. And the first step to take is to write out a truth table, which has all the variables and the function output. So in here, because it's a product of the sum, so we're actually looking at when f is equal to 0. That's where, that's happens when m, the capital M is equal to, capital M is 2, 3, and 6. That's where it happens. So to write out the function into canonical forms, all you have to do is apply the De Morgan series, which is take the invert of the function. So basically, I have, so for m2, I have, so here you see it's not x1, but in POS form you want to change to x1, and then the n you want to change to or, right? So x1 or not x2 or x3, and with x1 or not x2 or not x3, and with not x1 or not x2 and or x3. So moving on, you can definitely simplify that by taking out the same and taking out the opposite terms, x3 and not x3, and you can do it like this. So you want to take this term and that term. So you're taking out the identical variables x1 and not x2, and moving on to here. And also you can cancel out this term with this term with that term. Yeah. So you have, so in here you have the now x2 or x3 is going to be the same variables. You can take that out and cancel out the x1 and right here. So it will be, the final form will be x1 or not x2 and not x2 or x3. And then moving on, then it's asking for calculate the total cost of the final minimum form. So you can clearly see that for each inverter, the cost for each inverter is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then plus, so you have 2 OR gates. So 2 times the cost for the OR gate is 2 plus 2 times the input. So for this one, the input is 2. So basically 2 plus 2 times 2 is 6. So right here is 2 times 6 because we have 2 OR gates. And then finally you have an AND gate because you AND both these two terms. And then the total cost is going to be 2 times 2 plus 2 times 6 plus 6, which equals 22.